Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing the latest steps on how to go offline discreetly on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. First, launch the Instagram app on your smartphone.
Ensure you are using the latest version, as this method may vary across versions. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three vertical lines icon at the top right corner of your profile page.
Scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy option.
Within the Settings menu, locate and tap Messages and Story Replies.
Now, look for the Activity Status option and tap on it. This will allow you to manage your online status.
Finally, toggle the Show Activity Status switch to the Off position. By doing this, you'll become virtually invisible to your followers, and they won't be able to see when you were last active on Instagram. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to appear offline on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.